Coca Cola can do some pretty strange things. And the ingredients inside of it might be even more bizarre. Just imagine what it's doing inside your body after you drink it. Now take that one step further and imagine only drinking Coca Cola for the rest of your life. How does Coca Cola affect your body? What would this do to your teeth? And how bad would replacing water with Coke be? What if you only drank Coca Cola? This is the Learning Tribe. And here is what will happen if you only drank Coca Cola. Believe it or not, someone has done something like this before. A woman in Monaco stopped drinking water and only drank Coca Cola for 16 years straight. Did she survive doing this to her body? And what would happen if you did the same? Doctors recommend that people should drink anywhere from 3 to 4 liters of water a day, so instead, we are going to replace that with Coca Cola. A single can of Coke has 39 grams of sugar. To get your daily fluid intake, you need to drink over 8 cans of it each day. That's 312 grams of sugar. It would be like eating 6 chocolate bars. For reference, it's recommended that people consume less than 40 grams of sugar every day. So yeah, this would be a lot of extra sugar, not to mention the extra calories. Your Coke intake alone would be nearly an extra 8,000 calories a week. But that wouldn't be all the extra calories you consume. This sugary drink could also cause you to eat more as well, and with all these extra calories, it would lead to some serious weight gain. As you drank more Coke, tooth decay would also be a severe issue. Each sip of Coke would coat your teeth, tongue, and gums for hours after you finish your soda. Unless you stuck to an incredibly strict toothbrushing schedule, the sugars would slowly break down your enamel. This could eventually lead to your teeth completely rotting. And once you're done drinking your sodas for the day, expect to be going to the washroom a lot. The caffeine in Coca Cola is a natural diuretic, meaning that you're going to be peeing a lot more. But the caffeine would be the least of your worries. One of the main ingredients you need to worry about is the high fructose corn syrup. That's because our bodies don't metabolize it, and this could lead to a fatty liver. Symptoms of a fatty liver include fatigue and pain in the upper right abdomen. As you continue to drink Coca Cola, you would experience even more health issues. You might have frequent fainting spells and have a potassium deficiency due to all the sugar, caffeine, and other chemicals. You will also experience problems with your heart rate. But the issues won't stop there. As time goes on, you will also have a massive risk of getting type 2 diabetes and loads of vitamin deficiencies. And if all these issues continued and you decided to ignore them, you could develop proteinuria, which could then lead to kidney problems. And after years of only drinking Coke, you'd eventually be 600 pounds, with a huge list of health issues. You take your final sips of Coca Cola and then die due to a heart attack, kidney failure, or other health-related issues. But it doesn't have to be like that. Remember the woman who drank Coca Cola for 16 years. She had a lot of the same issues you had with fainting and weight gain, but after 16 years of only drinking Coke, she decided to stop, and her body bounced back to a relatively healthy state in a short period of time. So you might be able to do this for over a decade without experiencing any severe repercussions. But although drinking only Coke for a week, month, or even a year wouldn't kill you, it doesn't mean you should do it. Please subscribe to the Learning Tribe and click the bell icon if you wish to watch our upcoming videos.